Do you want to add value to your product or service, or perhaps establish authority and credibility in the eyes of your customers? Keep on watching as we discuss one sales funnel type and find out if it's the right one for your business. This video is a part of the Sales Funnel Training Series by Technic Force, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for other videos on marketing and sales funnels that will definitely help boost your business. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go. A challenge sales funnel is a type of funnel that aims to educate and engage the potential customer by introducing a challenge or problem that they may be facing, and then offering a solution, typically a product or service, that addresses that challenge. The main goal is to provide value and demonstrate expertise and authority to potential customers, as well as identifying the problem that the product or service solves and creating a sense of urgency for them to act. The challenge sales funnel usually involves several steps, such as number 1, presenting the challenge or problem that the customer may be facing. Number 2, offering a solution or a way to overcome the challenge. Number 3, demonstrating the benefits and value of the solution. Number 4, making a clear call to action for the customer to purchase or take the next step. It's a way to grab customers' attention and make them see that they need your product by talking about the problem first, then offering a solution. It is a powerful marketing strategy that can increase conversions. A challenge sales funnel can be used in a variety of different types of businesses. Some examples include fitness and wellness. A fitness company may use a challenge sales funnel by highlighting the challenge of being unhealthy or out of shape, and then offering a solution in the form of a fitness program or personal training services. E-learning and online courses. An online education platform may use a challenge sales funnel by highlighting the challenge of being unaware or lacking skills in a certain subject, and then offering a solution in the form of an online course or certification program. Financial services. A financial advisor may use a challenge sales funnel by highlighting the challenge of poor financial management and not having a clear financial plan, and then offering a solution in the form of financial planning and investment management services. A business software solutions provider may use a challenge sales funnel by highlighting the challenge of inefficient process, data organization, and security, and then offering a solution in the form of a software that addresses these challenges. A digital marketing agency may use a challenge sales funnel by highlighting the challenge of not having a strong online presence or not getting enough leads, and then offering a solution in the form of a comprehensive digital marketing strategy. These are just a few examples, but the challenge sales funnel can be used in many different types of businesses. The key is to identify a problem or challenge that your potential customers may be facing, and then offer a solution that addresses that challenge. And that's it on what a challenge sales funnel is and how it works. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing CloudFunnels. CloudFunnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. CloudFunnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders, and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, CloudFunnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make CloudFunnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you find this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.